kiss it.
No, I'm not. Yeah, it's pooping.
So today our adventure is not on a boat. It's gonna be at Lazy Springs Recreation Park. We got a kayak or canoe, I don't know. Thing's huge, 13.5 feet. Got fishing poles, chairs, cooler. Loaded the Jeep out today. So we got the extended rack on there because the Jeep's bed is only 5.5 feet, so that added an extra 3 feet from the tailgate. So got about almost 8.5, 9 feet. Time to gas up. Had the Bass Pro for a couple things and then
in aviator sunglasses.
head out
White pants
again.
With fake crocodile.
So our trip to Lazy Springs Recreation Park is until tomorrow. So for now we're gonna go to Captiva and Sanibel to do some sightseeing and hopefully a little fishing.
Isn't there changing?
That's great.
I just bought 2 rods, so
Sweet,
like
yeah.
whatever they came with.
Seems like
That's all I
shit.
got.
Seems legit.
Careful with it.
I forgot what bridge this is called. What is this bridge called? Sanibel Causeway.
See? I was right.
Bet you were wrong. We just had a fellow Jeep owner wave to us, so it's only courteous to wave back. Right now we're going over the Sanibel Causeway. As you can see, it's a beautiful view. Never gets old. I forgot over here it got ruined.
Yeah.
I completely forgot about
The hurricane did not play over here.
that. This beach, there used to be people with this all along this beach, jet skis, little boats. Remember? I know. Can't remember 2 years ago.
That wasn't 2 years ago.
In September of 2022, Hurricane Ian and Nicole hit at a Category 4 and demolished everything, including the lighthouse. Y'all catching anything or no? No light? Okay.
Suckers.
So we found this little empty lot in Captiva and a broken dock that we're fishing off of for now. This is right before we go to Lazy Springs tomorrow, so that's what the trip is about. Going to Lazy Springs Recreation Park. As far as right now, we're fishing, trying to catch some dinner for tonight. Only been pulling in catfish right now, but there's other things in there, so it'll look good. Somebody's on. Somebody's on. Let's go see. What is it? Another catfish?
He said it's strong. Something on there is pulling.
Tighten that drag.
No, it's doing that when he does it.
No, that's because the drag ain't tight.
Probably
Oh,
stuck
no,
on
it's
something.
cat.
Oh.
It's a catfish.
No way. Yeah. Little catfish.
First fish? Is that your first fish?
All right, now you gotta kiss it. You gotta kiss it.
No, I'm not. Yeah, it's pooping.
Huh? What? Flaying up some shrimp? Hibachi style? We're not gonna catch nothing but catfish here. We're gonna have to try another spot. We might go to this place called Bowman's Beach or Bowman's Pier. A little further back back towards the town, but closer to Sanibel. Because this is getting gay. I mean, it's getting weird. We're at Bowman's Beach in Sanibel. $5 an hour to park. This better be good. This better be good. I don't know what I'm paying for, but I'll show you guys.
It is.
No way.
That's a snake skin. I don't know.
No.
Yeah, it's like a slice.
A sliced banana.
Yeah, right?
It's a big ass banana. No, sorry.
I don't know what it is, to be honest.
I don't know.
I seen snakeskin. It don't look like that.
Yeah.
Wither.
Ah.
It's been in the sun for a while.
Yeah. It's snakeskin. It's snakeskin. You're right. If anybody knows what that was, leave it in the comment below. All we know is whatever it was, it washed up ashore all along the beach there. Obviously came from the water, so let us know. Where we pull up to? Sanibel Lighthouse?
Yeah.
See or no?
Yes.
So, whoop, 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 whoop. Hello. I forgot to record whatever we were doing at the beach, but we weren't there for long. Water was cold and the day was getting late, so we decided to check out the Sanibel Island. Oh, clumsy.
Here.
We're gonna go check out the Sanibel Lighthouse. I don't know if it's open or not, but we're gonna try to see. Hopefully it is.
Oh yeah, go get blankets.
If it is, I'm gonna edit this clip. If it ain't, it's not even gonna be in no video.
Anymore because it's cold.
El fuego flori. Dang, the sunset's on the other side.
At least we got a sunset.
You're my sunset. I get one every night, even in the house. Unfortunately, the lighthouse was closed, so we just decided to take a walk on the beach to end the day. As you can tell, it's beautiful out. A little windy and cold, but nice. I feel like you're up north.
It's cold.
The whole point of coming down here.
How'd they get that? No.
You're not getting us. You want to start raises.
Getting up. Getting us.
Good morning.
This is such. I don't even know what you guys are. No, you can sleep when you die. Good morning. It's Lazy Springs time, recreation park, and we about to have a blast. Blast.
Whatever you say.
It's go time. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Alright. What needs to go in the cooler? This?
You need to go in the cooler because you're looking hot.
Red. Here.
Gotti.
Baby.
Birthday weekend?
Yeah.
Put it right there. Boom. We have arrived, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Boys having fun already. We're about to unload. Hello. Let's do it. Lazy Springs Recreation Park is only open on the weekends. They do open Friday from 5 to 6 p.m. I believe that's so you can set up camp and get ready for the day for Saturday and Sunday. It's $20 a person. Kids 9 and under are free. It's about $10 per off-road vehicle, $10 per boat, jet ski, and whatever other vehicles you have, and then $10 per tent, camper, RV each night. And the gates are locked at sunset and no riding after dark. It's located in Felda, Florida, which is close to Lehigh Acres and Immokalee. It has lakes, zip line, mud pits, dirt bike trails, and an off-road area. I think there's about 4 lakes, I would say. You guys have fun?
Yeah.
Anthony, you have fun? Yeah? Did you see any fish in there? What? Huh? You could do some decent fishing for bass and whatnot. I would suggest at least using a kayak, paddleboard, or even a small boat. Ain't get no bites out there? I don't think. We are gonna go check out the rope swing by that big pole sticking up. Catch it.
It's a perfect view over there. Okay, so we're at Lazy Springs and we're gonna go to the rope swing over there. We're going down there. Say hi, Anthony. Hi, guys. Okay, well, I'll show you guys when we're there. So, bye-bye. Okay. Okay, ready? It's floatable.
Hey, try right here, yeah. Make me nervous.
Good or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold it one hand.
There you go. Woo! Oh, shoot! Let go! Let go! Let go! Good thing they were there. So silly.
Don't backflip, babe. Just do it regular. You're 40 years old.
She's just hating because she can't backflip. I didn't want to do it this time. I'll backflip for you guys on the next video.
Mommy, say hi. Look how hard we are, guys. It's crazy. Look, they're right over there.
Don't you comment if my grill's dirty. I don't want to hear it. I call it seasoning. What? Oh, they too far.
Did he get it?
Ah, fish just fell off. But they hooked up to another one. And also,
Good job, Bobby.
Libby hooked up to another one as well. 2 in the bucket.
Look at a Jeep through there.
We threw it back.
There's another red Jeep that's through there. And it's smaller.
Let's go. You ready?
Yeah!
Best birthday ever. Woo! Best birthday ever.
Yeah! Woo!
Get your grill on.
Not the YouTube poll.
They don't know. People say I got a drinking problem.
It's definitely barbed wire. Don't get me too close to that. No. Yes! I love this. Oh. We made it! Right? Did we make it? There's more. But wait, there's more. Ow!
Oh, you're actually on the biggest one. Hold on. Yes! Okay! Wait, can I have it? Yep. Hold on, hold on.
Woo! Everybody, hands up! Hands up, ready? Up! Hands up!
It was approximately around this shoreline that the kids caught the 2 bass, so if you guys come around this area, you might have a chance. And then there's that guy. Well, the day's almost over. We're starving. We're very hungry, haven't really eaten much all day, so we're gonna wrap up. I'm glad you guys took your time to watch the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share as well. We appreciate you, and little by little I'll get better with this editing, so give me some slack. I appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.